So basically right now I'm just testing out the video quality on my BlackBerry. Anyway, this is the model garage door opener that I made. It's a string drive system. It's got rubber bands on here so that when the trolley hits the limit switch, it doesn't pop off of the sprocket back here. It's a thimble or whatever for sewing. They wrap string around it. I just wrapped it in rubber bands and connected it to the motor shaft. The control panel is right over here. You've got your switch right here, which is up or down, and then the start button. So go up, and I'm going to hit the button. Here we go. Slowly but surely it does move. And my finger, oh, that's not my finger, never mind. So it's a DC motor with, it's actually got a gearbox in it. We sell it at the store. It's a Tamiya, God, I don't even remember what it was, but you see it hit the limit switch and shut off there, and there's a little bit of slack in the string now because it's pulling on the rubber band. So hit the switch down and hit the button. Get you up next to it. Limit switch. And for some reason it sags more going down than it does up, and sometimes it loses tension and gets back up higher. So anyway, I'll show you one of the features I built into this. It's got a power kill switch. It just runs on 2 AA batteries. Too cheap to buy battery holders, so I just taped them together. But anyway, the trolley here, you can see I designed it kind of like a Stanley. And there's a little hood pin off of an RC car there. You pull that little pin out. If I can do this with one hand. Nope, hang on a second. Okay, so you pull that little pin out. Here it is. And you can slide the trolley back and forth. I based that design basically off of a Stanley. So yeah, let me reconnect this, and I gotta put you down here a second. Sorry about this, it's really hard to reconnect this. Okay, there we go. So there's 2 inner pieces. There's this inner piece and then the outer piece. There's a notch I cut in the outer piece and a hole in the inner piece, and that's what holds it together. Now, let's see, go down and turn the power back on. Yeah, I don't know why it does that, but basically this switch, I found a schematic online. It just reverses a polarity when you flip the switch. So, you know, just flips it. And that's wired into the motor circuit. The limit switches are wired in parallel. Then they just cut out the motor when the trolley hits the limit switch, and the start button just bypasses the limit switch. So you select your direction, hit start, and it goes. We'll run it up and down one more time, and then I gotta go. And one of these days I might add some lights in. That's what this plastic piece is for up here. I actually cut 2 square notches out. So I kind of wanted to make it flush, kind of like the light lens on the bottom of an R80 CZ. Anyway, we'll close it, and then I gotta go. Oh, that one pushed down pretty hard. I could hear that one. Alright, that's it. See ya.